After you're done detailing something, you've got a lot of dirty detailing accessories. First, use warm water. Then, using either all-purpose cleaner or microfiber revitalizer, and work the product in and then rinse. Set up to dry. Your Pro Tire Sponge, all-purpose cleaner. Boom, rinse out. Here's a quick way to clean your microfiber cutting pads, and you're actually going to pretty much do the foam pads in a really similar way. The microfiber cutting pad, I'm going to use the microfiber revitalizer and spray it in there really well. On the buffing pads, I can either use the microfiber revitalizer, or I can also blast it with our Eco APC, which is an incredibly strong cleaner. I want to use my fingers to agitate and get all the crud out of these pads. You'll see it as soon as they come out totally clean and the water comes out clear and there's no more suds coming off it. Boom, you know you're done. Set them out to dry. Now there's a few other items that you're going to want to clean. Your block sponges. Using the Eco APC, you can blast these suckers off and you can really get a decent amount of dirt out of them. Oxidized metal is a totally nasty thing to get out of your applicators. You definitely don't want to throw this in your washing machine. Make sure that you take APC, Eco APC, it's a strong cleaner. You're going to need a serious amount of cleaner to get metal polish and all of the oxidized black crud that came off whatever you just made shiny out of this pad. And like everything else, set it up to dry. Now, when it comes to cleaning your wash pads, a lot of times what I'll do, I'll take my grit guard out of the bucket, I'll throw the wash pad on top of the grit guard, set it on the ground, and rinse it out. Sometimes, if you've washed a ton of dirt off there and this thing's just nasty, you might want to take your wash pad and go ahead and clean it under the sink. And you can use a couple of different things, one of which our microfiber revitalizer on these cleans them very, very thoroughly. Now, do you want this to go into your washing machine? Not really. I'll take our microfiber revitalizer and I'm going to go ahead and spray it down so that it makes your towels totally soft again. It also makes it so that the dirt falls out of the towel. Boom. Look how that just cleans all the crud out of it. So the way to go is you rinse this towel out really well. Boom, boom. It's not perfect, but it's definitely ready now to be thrown into the washer. All right, I'm Adam. This is another quick segment on how to maintain your detailing accessories. There's a whole bunch more. AdamsPolishes.com. Thanks for watching.